Take a good look at the wind, ladies and gentlemen, and it's freezing cold, and you know, it's just unbearable to be out in this today. So this is Iowa, and it's amazing. Gray skies. This is a few minutes later.
Are you serious? Just spilled water.
It's coming. I don't know if y'all can see that snow gust, but looks pretty good. And it didn't even mention anything about snow today. Just mentioned it was going to be freezing, and then the rain just happened to be freezing, and it's freezing me out now. So I gotta go. Happy holidays from the Woffords. We love you guys, and stay strong. Let's grow. Come on, let's grow. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.